So what do we have today, Chef?
So we're going to do Fable plant-based mushroom meat. So this is based on shiitake mushrooms. So we're going to do these Fable plant-based braised meat chunks soaked in tamari sauce with a whole bunch of vegetables and eggs. So it's like a giant omelet.
Amazing.
Very exciting.
So we have the veggies cooked, the meat-based mushrooms, and the egg. Here we go. Food, what do we have here?
I just call it grandma hash.
Grandma hash.
Take a cast iron pot and fill it with stuff nicely caramelized and throw eggs on top.
And we added some mushroom meat called Fable. Done.
Yum.